ओम शरणाय नमः। सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज, अहं त्वां सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः। This shloka from Bhagavad Gita explains the importance of imploring the Almighty as follows. The Lord Himself says, give away all the religious activities, rituals and other things, and come to me, because I am your protector and abode. I will free you from all the sins. Worry not. The word Sharana says both home and protector. Sharanam Griha Rakshitroho. The Lord is both abode to all the beings of this universe and the protector of all those beings. So He is called Sharana. The word Sharana has another meaning also. Sha is eternal bliss and Rana is the scriptures. The scriptures are taught by the Lord Himself to all the heavens and other beings for the sake of knowledge and to get eternal bliss at last. So the Lord is called Sharana, which means the one who understands and explains all the scriptures to all the seekers of this universe. The Bhagavad Gita also says, Gatir Bharta Prabhu Sakshi Nivasaha Sharanam Suhrit. The Lord is a friend, protector and abode to all the beings. The word Sharana also means liberation. Mokshaha Shantischa Sharanam Nirvanam cha Abhidhiyate. So, the Lord who bestows us the liberation through the knowledge is called Sharana. The Dvadasha Stotra of Acharya Madhva says, Sattpantha Jana Gehaya Namo Narayanayate. O Lord, you are an abode, lodge to all those who are traveling in this domestic life, material life.